Hi, today we're going to go over how to make a test strip for printing on inkjet printers and the plotter in the Imaging Center. Test strips are free, but they are only for inkjet and plotter prints. They must be 2 inches tall by the width of your image up to the maximum width of the printer, which for most of our inkjet printers is 43.75. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to check your image size. So I'm going to go up here to image, go to image size. My image is 40 inches by 48, which means I can crop it by the width and not the height, which is great. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to go to crop. You can hit the C key. And my ratio is going to pop up here. I'm going to put in that width that I just looked up, 40 inches by 2. And I can drag this around to the section that I want it to crop. If you accidentally skew it, you can hit the escape key and it should go back to the original cropping. So 2, I'm going to drag it up to the mouth. And I can hit the return key or the check mark to accept. I'm going to save this as a copy or just do save as. You don't want to save over your original image. Type in test strip. Save it as a PDF. And there's my test strip. If you want to look up your paper size, you can go to our plotter printing page and scroll down to available papers for inkjet printers. You can see if I was printing on one of the desktop, the max roll is 17 inches, but as I said before, for most of our inkjets, we do have 44 inches available, which to printable size would be 43.75. If you have any questions or issues, you can always make an appointment on Calendly to meet with us via Zoom.